I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Versa door panel. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool. These are crucial for preventing damage. Make sure your window is completely down. This provides better access to the panel's top edge. Always work in a well-lit space so you can clearly see all the small fasteners and clips, ensuring a smooth removal process. Next, let's tackle the fasteners. Begin by carefully prying off the small plastic cover situated behind the door handle. Once that's removed, you'll find a Phillips head screw inside the door handle recess. Unscrew this. Then, using your plastic trim removal tool, gently pry up the entire window switch panel. Disconnect the electrical connectors underneath by pressing their release tabs. With the screws and switch panel removed, check for any additional screws under the armrest or where the window switch was. Once all screws are out, use your plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry around the edges of the door panel. You'll hear the plastic clips releasing. Work your way around the entire perimeter. Finally, lift the entire door panel straight upwards to disengage it from the window channel. After lifting the panel, you'll need to disconnect the door lock cable and the door handle cable. These usually have simple clip mechanisms. Also, unclip any other electrical connectors still attached to the panel, such as for the speaker or side mirror controls. Now your door panel is fully removed. To reinstall, reverse these steps, ensuring all clips align and screws are tightened. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.